press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
So the game is basically मैं आपको कुछ सवाल पूछने वाला हूँ जो कि मेरा फेवरेट काम है, तो आपको फटाफट से जवाब देना है, ठीक है? So the first question that I have for you is कि what do you think is the worst job that you could ever do? मतलब ऐसा कौन सा काम है?
Radio jockey. I was a radio jockey and I was a horrible radio jockey. So I think मैं सब कुछ सीख जाऊंगी. अब मेरे को लगता है मैं वो नहीं सीख पाऊंगी.
But you know, it's a huge surprise for me because you know, coming from this background where you are a creator and you're always talking and everything, it's like a big surprise. You know, I'm pretty sure a lot of fans are going to be surprised.
For me also when that didn't work out.
Yeah, lovely. That's an insight. So, what is that one thing जिससे प्राजक्ता कोहली को सबसे ज्यादा डर लगता है?
डर ऐसे मटेरियलिस्टिक आंसर दूं तो फिर so I'm ट्राइपोफोबिया इज बेसिकली जब एकदम बहुत सारे होल्स अगर एक साथ पैक्ड होते हैं ना, लाइक अगर लोटस स्टेम के अंदर वगैरह देखो डोसा या बबल्स, तो उससे मैं अनकंफर्टेबल हो जाती हूँ. सो एनीथिंग दैट बहुत has a lot of like circles together, I get very like some trypophobic like that. But अगर थोड़ा सा deep जाए तो फिर literally my only fear is losing people I love.
Okay, pretty interesting. And ये fear कभी सच ना हो. Let's hope for the best. Okay, ये मुझे सवाल पूछने में पता नहीं एक बहुत ही अंदर से एक मस्त feeling आ रहा है कि what is the meanest thing that Prajakta Kohli has ever said to someone?
The meanest thing I've said to someone. यार
Is it because this thought that you are having, is it because you have never said anything या फिर इतने सारे बोले कि नहीं पता चल रहा है कौन सा मीनिंग?
कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
नहीं मतलब यार जब छोटे हो तब जब समझ नहीं होती है तब I'm sure कुछ ना कुछ बोला होगा. But nothing that comes to mind कि यार वो मैंने एक बात बहुत गलत, मैं गलतियां बहुत करती हूँ, मैं बकवास मेरे मुंह से बहुत निकलती है. But have I ever targeted someone and been mean to them? I don't remember. Not that I know of. पता चले कोई लाइव देख रहा हो और सोचा कि हाँ मेरे से होता है ना.
You say something and you don't really realize. So, but then I'll take that answer. चलो, it's a good answer. I'll take that. So my next question for you is कि if you could be the president of the country for a day, what do you think you would like to change or bring about any new modifications? What are the things that you would like to change if you are in that position of power?
Wow. I think I would make judgments criminalized. I would criminalize judgments.
जाएंगे जेल के?
हाँ?
तो मैक्सिमम लोग जेल के अंदर चले जाएंगे फिर.
पर you see नहीं जाएंगे फिर भी क्योंकि अभी भी बहुत सारे judgments are criminalized and we still judge, we still discriminate. So I think I would just make that super strict.
It's a lovely thing. I hope I don't know कब ये होगा कि नहीं, but it's a lovely way to actually look at the future. So I'll go to the next question. The thing is कि ये I am expecting a very like एकदम sexy वाला answer. On a scale of 1 to 10, how cool do you think you are?
How cool do I think I am?
Give that
10 on 10. I don't know what other people think.
What do you think about yourself? That is what I want to know.
I think I'm a 10 on 10. I'm damn cool.
अरे क्या बात है. You are an 11. Okay. So the next question is कि ये काफी interesting है. What are the advantages as well as disadvantages of being a popular figure in the country?
I haven't faced any disadvantages yet. There is nothing about my job that makes me feel like यार ये एक drawback है इसका. बिल्कुल भी. The advantages are कि you get so much love, you get so many smiles, which is like I am someone जो ना रास्ते पे जब मैं चल रही हूँ I'll smile. अगर किसी से मेरा eye contact हो गया, whether or not I know that person, I will smile. तो पहले I used to not get smiles back. Now I get them back a lot of times.
अभी वो reaction मिलता है.
You get so much love, you get so much support, you get everything. Yeah, I feel like that is abhi tak to I have not reached a point where I feel like yeah this is a disadvantage.
Touch wood wo kabhi na ho and the advantages keep on rising and increasing. That is my message and love for you. The next sawal that I have is ki whenever you're coming for an event, whenever you're attending a function, so how much time does Prajakta Kohli take to get ready? ये मेरा personal भी मुझे जानना है.
यार मेरा सारा टाइम ना ये चूज करने में चल रहा था कि मैं पहनूं क्या. एक बार ये वो डिसाइड हो गया, देन आई कैन गेट रेडी इन लाइक 20 minutes बिकॉज आई डोंट डू मेकअप. I
But
don't have
average
like.
to pick that dress out of so many outfits in the wardrobe, what do you think? How do you plan that?
Depends. कई बार ऐसे होता है जब मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड होती हूँ तो मैं 1-2 दिन पहले डिसाइड कर लेती हूँ कि अच्छा ये पहनूंगी. कभी कभी ऐसे होता है कि लास्ट मिनट मूड चेंज हो जाता है कि यार ये सोचा था बट अब ये पहनने की, तो कोई वैसे कुछ नहीं है. बट यूजुअली आई स्टार्ट गेटिंग रेडी अबाउट एन आवर बिफोर आई हैव टू लीव, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ओनली गोज इन चूजिंग एन आउटफिट. अदरवाइज तो बाल और
दिस पार्ट दैट यू मेंशन ना कि कभी कुछ स्पेशल फंक्शन होता है तो यार पहले से दिमाग में एक इमेजिनेशन रहता है कि ये पहनने वाला हूँ. सो यू ऑलरेडी इमेजिन योरसेल्फ इन दैट डेक्ड अप अवतार इन दैट ये, तो ये काफी नेचुरली आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल कैन रिलेट टू दैट, इवन मी.
Yeah, we all do that, no?
Absolutely.
अगर तुम्हें if you're going to watch a movie with your friends and you know that boy you like is going to be there, तो जब प्लान बनता है भले प्लान 1 महीने पहले बनाओ.
एकदम करेक्ट, टोटली एग्री.
वो नई वाली जीन्स जो खरीदी ना वही पहनूंगा.
यू हैव दोस थिंग्स इन योर माइंड. ओके, चलो इसी बात पे अगला सवाल कि व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू डू व्हेन यू गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग?
I drink water.
Okay.
And then I go brush my teeth.
Okay, and the next sawal is basically related to this. What is the first application that Prajakta Kohli checks in her mobile when she wakes up? WhatsApp, kitne, YouTube, kya? Instagram, okay. ये एक फैन ने पूछा है कि mostly saying we love you, and message है actually. Mostly saying we love you and we drop in so many DMs and we drop in so many comments. I know it is not possible for you to reply individually, but do you see our DMs and do you see our comments? That is what this person wants.
I do, and I reply and I like as many comments under my posts as I can. I share as many stories as I can. If I can't share, मैं हमेशा रोज रात को मेरा यही होता है कि once I'm done working, I'm done with dinner and I come to bed. तो मैं बेड पे आधा घंटा लगा के I only see all the stories that I'm tagged in, all the posts I'm tagged in, everything that has been shared where mostly Sane was tagged. So मैं वो सब कुछ देखती हूँ. मैं जितना शेयर कर सकती हूँ उतना शेयर करती हूँ, जितने रिप्लाईज कर सकती हूँ उतने रिप्लाईज करती हूँ, and then I go to sleep. So I know. I
think it's a lovely note to end your day, because पूरे दिन के थकान के बाद when you're just about to hit the bed and you see so much of love happening and coming your way.
I love it. It's been my routine. It's been my lockdown routine. क्योंकि लॉकडाउन से पहले तो मैं घर आके ऐसे मरियल सी पहुंचती थी थके कि मतलब खाने का होश नहीं रहा कि सो जाओ. मैं फोन बिल्कुल नहीं देखती थी. पर अब because everything is a little more chilled out, everything is a little more calm, तो मैं I check my